from Trott HQ in Bushy. First one of the day. This is a new client. Just ridden all the way from Teddington to get his trusty daily commuter minted up. He's not been to us before. He read all my reviews, seen some videos, so he thought he would treat this to a bit of Trott TLC. He has ridden this since new, daily. It's his commuter. Lots of corrosion on these bits and pieces. I don't know why Triumph just don't do these in black. All that is corrosion. Anyway, this is in for one of our full Monty Valets with a good dose of machine polishing on the bodywork. See if we can do something with these exhausts. Unfortunately, it should have been done from new. It would have protected all these little bits and pieces. See those banjo bolts, those caliper bolts, those are all corroded. We got some corrosion setting in on those spokes as well. I don't know why they don't put stainless spokes on these, but nevertheless, this one's all covered in grease, so they should be well protected. We are gonna do a whole heap of detailing on this. Get this looking as close to new as possible. More than anything, get a nice coating of corrosion protection on it, which will neutralize any corrosion that's on there and prevent any further. So first step, get it degreased, get it washed, and then we'll get it in the studio for some serious detailing. This pipe on this side seems to be worse than the other side. It's running hot, but let's get it washed first, get all this decontaminated, degrease, and then we will get it in the studio. Got some serious work on this one. Clean up all these discs. Every single one of these spokes is going to get meticulously cleaned. Like I said, we got some serious polishing to do on this bodywork. Anyway, enough of my jibber jabber. Let's get this washed and then we'll get it in the studio. Wish me luck. This Scrambler is coming along. We're just on our last stages. Been fully washed, degreased, decontaminated in the studio. We've XCP'd everything. Now time to do some polishing. We've got to polish up those header pipes. And as I said earlier, this paintwork has got some serious spider webs on it. So we're going to do a two-stage machine polish, get rid of those spider webs, and then she is done. I said, we just got to finish up polishing these header pipes, get a bit of gloss back into those. Got a little mark there, I don't know what that is, but yeah, let's see if we can get rid of these spider webs. Good old black shows every single mark. And there you go, this Triumph Scrambler has been fully trotted. What a transformation on this beast. This had one of our legendary full Monty Valets with a whole dose of extra polishing, all those alley bits. The exhaust, look at that, they have come up like new. Everything's been XCP'd, all your banjo bolts have all had a nice little brushing of XCP. I've just done a 2-stage machine polish on all that bodywork. Look at the gloss on it. These exhausts, look at that. Does your valeter leave those exhausts like that? I don't think so. Every single bit of alley has been polished, lightly sanded, just to remove the corrosion, and then polished. See that? As new. This is one of our legendary full Monty valets. Usually done in 2-3 hours. This took a little bit longer. All the chains been serviced. All prepped and ready to go. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Get yours booked in now. 07966 249 963.